What do I do if I cannot find my student ID number?
Hello there. It can be quite frustrating when you can't find your student ID number, especially when you need it urgently. Not to worry, in this video, we'll be going through a step-by-step process on what you can do to retrieve it. Let's get started.
Why is your student ID number important?
Your student ID number is a unique identifier that your school uses to recognize you. It's used in a variety of situations, from checking out books at the library, logging into online portals, to even registering for classes. Knowing your student ID number is crucial as it helps you navigate various school services.
Check your emails.
The first step to finding your student ID number is to check your emails. When you first enrolled, your school likely sent you an email with your student ID number. This email might be in your inbox, sent items, or even in the spam folder.
Look at past documents.
If the email search doesn't yield results, then it's time to check your past documents. Any official correspondence from your school, such as report cards, admission letters, or any other school-related documents, may contain your student ID number.
Log in to your school's online portal.
Your school's online portal is another excellent place to find your student ID number. If you're able to log in, you can typically find your ID number in your account or profile settings. It's often listed under Personal Information or similar sections.
Contact your school.
When all else fails, the most reliable way to find your student ID number is to contact your school directly. This could mean reaching out to your school's registrar office, student services, or the admissions department. They should be able to provide you with your student ID number after verifying your identity. We hope this guide has been helpful in helping you find your lost student ID number. Remember, your ID is an important part of your student life, so keep it safe. Thanks for watching, and happy studying!